Hey, welcome back to the channel, folks. Thanks for stopping by. Today I'm going to do something a little different here. I picked this kit out of the stash, and I haven't seen it online anywhere of anybody doing this one. So we're going to do an unboxing of this one, and I think this will be the next build that we do on this channel. Let's get right into it. Obviously, it's the 56 Chevy Nomad, Revell monogram, 125 scale. Skill level 3. Here's the side. The end. Trying to find the date on the box. 1997. There it is. Alrighty. So let's get right into it. I removed the plastic on this kit probably in 1997 when I purchased it. It's an oversized box. It's like a double box. Right off the bat, we have a tire. Alright, hopefully there's 3 more in there somewhere. Let's see what we got. There's one. Here's some chrome. Some glass. This is before they started putting it inside of an extra bag to protect it. So hopefully, and then of course dropping it doesn't do it any favors, but there's the glass. Got side windows, headlights, marker lights, and some kind of weird thing right here. I'm not sure what that is, but it's clear. Another tire. Looks like it receives the inserts to make it a white wall. They're kind of a real tough vinyl tire, rubber tire, whatever you want to call it. But, yep, there's the other two hiding on the bottom. Yep. So you got 2 bags of parts, the glass, and some chrome. Let me go ahead and do the chrome real quick and get that one out of the way so I don't forget like I did the last time and have to interject it in at the end. Here we have the grill, which you'd almost think those are headlights, but those are the parking lights, or running lights. From this angle it looks like a pickup truck front end, like an old Chevy Love. Some standard hubcaps, original stock looking hubcaps, carburetor, chrome top for the dash, windshield wipers, door handles right there, front and rear bumpers, tail lights. And 56 to refuel a 56 Chevy, you'd have to open up the driver's side tail light, and that's where you fill the gasoline at. I'm not sure, it might be on behind the license plate on this, I'm not sure. And a hood ornament, the hood badging. Well, the battery gremlins strike again. So, as I was saying, 2 bags of parts, chrome tree, glass, clear. That's what's included in this kit. So we're going to go ahead and cut it open. Right off the bat we have the body. A little bit of flash right there. Well, been sitting in a box for 29 years, so it's not bad. Feels really nice. Obviously molded in white. Here's the chassis, or I'm sorry, the interior almost tub portion. Looks like a snow scraper for your window on your vehicle. Steering wheel, steering column, seat backs, seat fronts. Here's the dashboard. I don't know if that's the upper part of the... No, that's the upper part of the dashboard also. The chrome goes over underneath it. Don't know what that is. Here we have the white wall rims, 5 pieces. We got 4 tires, we get 5 rims. Okay. And here's the hood. Side panels for the interior. The back portions that go back in this area on the inside. The back seat. Looks like the spare tire trunk compartment. Alright. And this final bag here. Yeah, I haven't seen anyone build a 56, so I thought, what the heck, I'll do it. Here's the chassis, and some red parts here, 2 little tail light buttons, spare tire, I guess that's the fuel tank. Front suspension, rear suspension, half. Upper or lower control arms, not sure which, probably upper. Leaf springs. Details aren't real defined on this kit, but for 1997 I guess they were okay. By today's standards they're just kind of whatever. Here's the engine. Manifold, oil filler, battery, air cleaner, wheel backs, front part of the rear end. This could be the steering gearbox, hood hinges, generator right here. Yep. Some horns, heads, oil pan. Nice. Front coil springs, shock absorbers. Pretty neat. Alright, let's see what they give us for instructions and any decals. Nothing. Wow. No decals in this kit. Oh, I stand corrected. And there. What do we got? Illinois and Oregon. There and there. Some badging for the vehicle. Dashboard. Speedometer and the Bel Air one that goes on the passenger side. Alrighty. And for the instructions, pretty basic engine. Again, a kit from 1997, so things were a little different. They are upper control arms. Oh, it's a dual exhaust vehicle. telling you some tips on painting it like the artwork on the box. Yeah, pretty basic, but I bet it's going to be nice. So when it's finished, I'm looking forward to it. Obviously, I've had this since '97 and just haven't gotten around to building it yet. So we're going to give her a heck and try and knock this one out here this week. So there you are. Please be sure to check back often. Like, share, comment, subscribe if you would. Doesn't cost anything. And we'll see you on the next one. Thanks again. Have a great day.